Okay, so we have this equation right here, y equals 1 half x plus 2 with our graph right here that represents, how much you like a girl versus how much you have to pretend to like her cat in heart units, right? So that's our measurements, right? All right, so what does 1 half mean in this model, right? Well, that 1 half is the slope, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to interpret this slope, right? So basically, remember that's rise over run, rise over run. So that's the vertical over the horizontal, okay? So it's the vertical change here versus here, right? So the one means you like your girl 1 heart unit for every 2 heart units you pretend to like her cat. Right? That's all it is. You just compare how much you're going up to how much you're going over. So it's basically up 1 and over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Okay? That's the idea. So what does 2 mean in this model? Well, 2, that's your y-intercept right here. Right? That's your slope, and this is your y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is your initial value, your starting point. So when you first start your relationship, you start liking this girl at 2 heart units, right? So what does 2 mean in this model? You started out liking this girl 2, that's a weird R, heart units, right? I know this is kind of a silly way to show this, but all you do is you look at the units on the y, you compare to the units on the x. That's how you do the slope, right? And then for the y-intercept, you just kind of like look where it crosses the y-intercept, right there at 2. Okay, so that's that 2 right there. Okay, that's it. So that's what we're just interpreting that right there. So that's video number 3.